Okay. Hi, Sean. Want to say something?
Huh?
Hi. I'm going to be camera whoring.
Say it ain't so, Melinda's go with the camera. Please go away, so stop, 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 stop. Wait, are you? Is that video?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm bored.
Are you gonna hit him yet? Remember?
I'm hitting him. I'm hitting him. I am hitting him. Open your mouth. It looks nasty.
How nasty is it? Hey! Why?
That is Rowan's nipple. Right there. I'm poking out the other one. That's his belly button. That's his head. That is Nat. Hi, Nat. I'm poking you. It's actually touching.
So far away, Melanie. So nice to us, man.
Anyways, let's take a picture of my feet.
No!
Let's come over here. Nasty feet.
And that's
Nothing
my
special about your
leg. Fine, let's look at Nat's feet.
My feet are ugly.
And Joanne's.
My feet are ugly.
My feet are Filipino.
Happy birthday, Rowan!
Ah!
Happy birthday!
Hello, bye.
Let's sing a song.
Why? It's not even there yet.
Say happy birthday to Rowan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rowan. Just wanna give a shout out to you, man. Your dick. Your hat.
What?
Hate you, man. I'm sorry. That's me being honest.
Okay, put it away, do something to see.
Nice! Sean's gonna kill them. Sean, how could you kill them? How could you? First you play with people's hearts.
Oh my god.
And now you're gonna kill people.
What's this I keep hearing about him playing hearts?
Huh? It's
Pay
a
attention to the road.